Bumisita sa bansa ang binansagang The Lethal Shooter na si Chris Matthews. Nagpasample din siya ng kanyang shooting skills. Para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Francis Rivera.
First in history, si Chris Matthews aka Lethal Shooter ang unang nakashoot sa roof deck dito sa Tenement Famous Court sa Taguig. Kung solid basketball fan ka, siguradong kilala mo siya. Red Bull athlete, content creator, at NBA shooting coach. Dito nga sa Taguig, kabi-kabila ang nagpa-selfie at nanghingi ng autograph sa kanya. Aliw na aliw si Chris sa mainit na pagtanggap ng mga Pilipino.
I'll say people's love for the game. Every time people here talk about basketball, you can see the passion they have for the game. So come here, honestly, it's a dream come true. You know, I've been to Africa, I've been to India, I've been all over the world doing content, but to come here, it's been very special for me.
Pero mas naaliw siya sa 4-point lane ng PBA.
Keeps the game fun. You know what I mean? I feel like stuff like that is great entertainment. But I'm just saying, if you know you're not an elite shooter, don't take the 4-point shot. You know what I mean? If you're an elite shooter, take the 4-point shot. So I feel like your commissioner's a genius for having the 4-point shot because it makes the game fun.
Siyempre, pwede ba namang walang mismong palaro? Mismong mga local players sa tournament ang nagpakitang gilas sa exhibition games at daang contest. Sa huli, ang reveal ng mural ni Lethal Shooter doon mismo sa tenement court.
Yeah, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you for loving the game and being the great people you are. My entire life, I always wanted to come to the Philippines because you guys are the mecca of basketball and you guys love the game for what it is. I love you guys so much. I understand it now.
Naiwan din si Chris ng remembrance para sa kanyang Pinoy fans dito sa Taguig. Mga kapatid, Mobile Journal Francis Rivera po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.